Hello everyone, it's Dan here from TommusRhodus Support. In this video I'm going to take you through the latest update 1.05 for Stack for WordPress. Okay, in this update we've added a few more options, so we'll head into the theme options and take a look. To begin with, under the advanced styling settings, you'll now see the menu items area, and this is where you can control the opacity which is applied to the sub-menu and menu items. So for instance, if you wanted this effect here to be lessened, I suppose, we can remove all of the opacity as we want. And you can see there, they're now solid. Or you can make it a lot smaller. It's really up to you. Also, in the theme options, we've added a new blog layout. So if we head to the blog settings and blog archive, you can see we've now got the simple list and sidebar option available for a really sleek blog layout. Next up, we've added a couple of more pages to the demo content. If we just head over, you can see we've now added a very handy cheat sheet for the icons. So under utilities, you can now reference this sheet here. So if you're creating content via HTML or whatever, there's loads of reasons why you may want this. You've now got a handy list of all of the icons available within the theme. And we've also added a couple of more pages to the demo data to show off the modals and notifications that are available in the theme also. Okay, if we look a little further, if we just open up Visual Composer, you'll see we've added a few more options to the modals and notifications boxes as well. So if we just quickly take a look. You'll see there we've now got various options, and we can now also apply an image there as well as some extra options for the notifications as well. Next up, if we take a look in Variant, you'll see we've tweaked the way the Lightbox URLs work now. So you can basically add either a link to the same image that you've uploaded as your main image, or you can link to a completely different image in the Lightbox if you want. Just to give you an example of that, I will just quickly pop in a Lightbox gallery. Here we go. Okay, so you can see we've got one image here. Well, in fact, let's add our own. So I'm going to specify, just out of example, I'm going to put this random image in here. What you can now do is link this to another image entirely by simply right-clicking the item and hitting Edit Link. You'll see here currently it's set to link to the same image, but what you can now do is simply scroll through all of your media. You'll see here, and where you've got lists of your pages and content, you'll see we've actually got images there as well. Just keep an eye out for this media tag here. I'll just link to this random avatar. So if we now take a look at the page, you'll see there when we click on this, it links to a completely different image. Absolutely perfect. Okay, that's pretty much it for 1.05. There have of course been some changes under the surface, just a few fixes and tweaks, just to make sure you've got the best experience possible. If there is anything else you want to see in an update, then do come see me over at support. Other than that, thanks for watching and keep enjoying Stack.